Hello and welcome back to our channel, Travel with Jaws. We are happy that you are able to join us. Subscribe, share, like all our videos. Our mission is to provide informative content regarding your travel ideas around the world. Now I don't know whether you have experienced this ever in a mall. Today I had a scheduled meeting and the tool was gigantic. I think I got that right. The gigantic mall, scheduled for 2 p.m. Surprisingly, this was my first time to be at the mall. So at exactly around 2 p.m. I was at the gate, took my card, my entry card, and got into the mall. The mall is so large that it has several levels of parking. We have the basement 1, basement 2, and other parking areas at the rooftop. So with my experience with malls, I decided to park my car at basement level 1 and took the lifts up to the rooftop where I was scheduled to have my meeting with my friend. Now several hours, maybe around after 2 hours, we came out of the meeting and decided to go back our way. So I went down to the basement and I decided to start looking for my car, which I had parked. Unfortunately, it was crazy because I couldn't find my car. I really started looking under vehicles, it was just crazy. It's something that I've never done before. I thought even my car had gotten stolen. So it was just a crazy experience. My friend also told me that he had done the same in an incident that happened earlier at the mall. So for anybody who is traveling to Rivers Mall, it's advisable that you know the numbers which are clearly labeled on the wall, whereby at least you're able to note your parking area and your parking number. Otherwise you're going to miss your car and it's going to be chaotic looking for your car all over everywhere without success. I actually contemplated asking the security people around there whether they could help me locate my car. It was just funny. So go out there, experience this kind of places. Experience the shopping experience within the mall. Is a very nice place to be. It has different kind of shopping areas, different kinds of banks, the businesses, and you'll be happy to be there once you're visiting Nairobi and you want to experience the outskirts of the city. Thank you and goodbye. Kindly do subscribe to our channel, and you're happy that you are here or you're joining us every time we upload great contents and educative contents that can help you on your travel ideas.